Let's welcome ma'am with a huge round of applause. We welcome you, ma'am. Today's session on creating LinkedIn profile and resume building is designed to prepare you for your professional journey, focusing on two important pillars, resume building and creating LinkedIn profile. In a world where opportunities are vast but competition is intense, having the right profile, the right resume and the right preparation can make you grab the best opportunity. Now, I invite Ms. Shazad Siddiqui ma'am to take over the session, followed by hands-on training workshop and guide us further.
Can you take 5 minutes? Good morning, everyone. Today again we are having one of our alumni with us. Now she happened to be the student of this institution and she is back again in the class to tell her juniors of how she has succeeded and what type of efforts are required to be a successful manager. So she is also progressing, but she will let you know how you have to move when you are passing out from this institution now. I understand we are having BBA final year and MBA final year sitting here, and some of us are also from the placement assistance team who is there in this particular class. Understanding the importance of social networking today, LinkedIn is an important platform where you have to showcase yourself to the outer world, right? So your profile has to be strong enough, but the question is, when you are clearing your college and you don't have much experience, what to showcase on the LinkedIn? Now the only thing that you can do in the beginning is showcase your certifications and what extra you have acquired while doing MBA, so that the outer world starts showing interest in your profile. Please understand, with no experience or very little experience, when you are passing out from this college, is making you just another MBA in this world, where lot many MBAs are passing out in 2026, you are just one among them. It becomes very important for all of you to differentiate yourself from your competitors who will be passing out from premier institutions and other IP university colleges. तो वो भीड़ में खोया आदमी एक जो story है ना, that is applicable on all of us, right? When I say all of us, today I also face a lot of competition when I search for good jobs. And please remember one thing, if you have something to showcase, to differentiate yourself, only then you are required in this competitive world. Remember one thing, when we talk of cut-throat competition, the other person is ready to cut your throat in this competition to move ahead. What you are doing to compete, that depends upon you. So we have enjoyed sufficient number of years in the college. In case of BBA, 3 years. In case of MBA, 2 years. But now this is the final semester which is coming up, when we have to be serious enough so that if we are looking for a good job, we should be able to showcase why we are important. The importance of today's session on LinkedIn is that once you go through what she is saying, you should be able to develop your own LinkedIn profile on the parameters which she shares with you, so that on LinkedIn, in your resume, you are able to put that link of LinkedIn profile and people are able to go through your LinkedIn profile, your education qualification, what all you have learned in the college. In the last 3 years, if you have taken sufficient number of training sessions in this college, whatever we have conducted, all those things should be highlighted in your resume. If you have been missing, now is the time that you will start realizing what all you have missed during the training programs of the institution. So please take this session very seriously. I'm happy that most of you are attending, but I'm sorry for all those who are not attending this session today. I welcome you all. I welcome the resource person who happens to be one amongst us, and she is there to help you, to guide you, to assist you, and to mentor you. Thank you very much, and I thank you for coming to your own college once again, and I hope you will make the best use of this particular opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. बहुत कम लग रहा है मेरे भी कम है because it's Saturday and nobody wants to get up at 7. I did travel here for 2 hours and I'm getting so I think this is my second session with GIPS. I'm 2019 pass out. Completed my I'll give you a little brief about my profile. My name is Shazai, you might be knowing it. I belong from a small place, Jharkhand, if you know. There is a state, Jharkhand, सब भूमि के नाम से जाते हैं. But it's also a whole city. There is a place in Jharkhand which is Sahibganj, a very small place. So my family was into cybercrime, different places. I completed my 10th and 12th from St. Vedas School. Then after 12th, I was studying here in Delhi, completed my MBA from IB. So Technia was my MBA college and MBA was my GIPS. So very strange thing for people, IIMs and so college dream college होता है मेरा dream college GIPS था बहुत strange तो बोल के तो हंसी भी आती है. Basically I was taking a PG वहाँ पे बहुत मतलब my seniors very good GIPS. My elder brother is also passed out from GIPS. He's currently as a manager HR with doctorate. So this college has my heart. कभी भी आ जाओ. So see, it's very important to understand. And few people are MBA last year students. BBA. So there are two things. After BBA, either you people will be doing MBA, either you will go for a job. MBA के बाद तो आपको job ही करना है. Understand at this level if you are in a BBA last year, which is last semester, and MBA fourth semester student, करना क्या है? Most of you might be, I don't know, lot of you might be confused अभी और specialization में भी जाओगे कि नहीं जाओगे? Confusion है बहुत. What you wanted to choose? You wanted to go into HR, you wanted to go into tech, कौन सी BD, marketing, finance, कहाँ जाओगे? And I'm saying a true fact. After completing this, after giving interviews, you will go to different companies. उसके बाद भी आपको initial 1 year में लगेगा कि I'm not able to take your decision in that 6 months. Otherwise, आगे के जितने stages होंगे ना, that will be like forceful. कि बस job करो. Don't go into that stage. Make it very particular. What is your interest area? HR है, marketing है. It is not so difficult to understand. What is the parameter? Are you more into interaction? Are you more into people management? You need to understand. Are you a talkative person? Introvert or extrovert? Are you good at numbers? So there is a vast parameter, vast thing. मुझे लगता है how do you know? How do you signify कि कितने type of job है? Anybody can let me know. In HR, what are the field? In marketing, in finance, in IT. Anybody? कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है? Any one of you please respond to her. Let it be a two-way interaction. मैं चुपचाप बोल के चली जाऊँगी. मेरे को 3 घंटे मिले मैं बैठूँगी. मैं अपने प्लेस पे बैठूँगी. मुझे कोई बात नहीं करनी. It's better that you understand how to listen. And literally I'm saying at this stage, teachers are mentoring you. They're giving you knowledge. They're guiding you. That is the best part. Because after this
find the HRs from them. And I also join some groups where I find the recruiters. And I'm actually making bigger connection.
Is it beneficial now?
Not now, but when I was working, so it was beneficial.
As you were working?
I was.
More deep into it rather than we'll go into practical things. PPT book is knowledge ना बाहर काम किया बहुत बड़ा मैंने 86% देखे book is knowledge is all about बाद में लगता है यूज कहाँ पे करना है समझ में नहीं बट या if you see आपको correlate करना होगा like in HR lot of organization behavior training that you need to implement. Maths में मुझे सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन ही समझ में आया ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट बस उसके अलावा कहीं कुछ यूज नहीं किया मैंने. This is the fact because this is an Indian education, but yeah, you need to be prompt with what you are studying. Can we start? Okay, no worries. Can I see anybody's resume? Phone पे होगा guest me. Can I see anybody's resume? Okay. Anything, either resume or LinkedIn profile, anything I wanted to see how you people have updated it.
Like we will not respond and this session is not beneficial at all for you then. If you will not respond.
Any question, any doubt related to resume, interviews, anything, I'm ready to share. And also after this, I'm ready to help you out on LinkedIn to find you a job.
Please come forward.
And which field you need to go. You find any So he has a resume by name Vinayak Sharma, his contact number, his mail ID, starting with education, which is the Naradhan International Business School, with Bachelor BBA. Then he's having Delhi Public School, Ghaziabad, 12th Commerce. Okay. Coming to only education, but do you think anything is missing here? Percentage one. Another? Year is mentioned. Apart from that? Brief summary. Why will you put brief summary की क्या बात? Where is it 10th? Where you have started 10th, 12th, then BBA. And in that case also when you are talking about percentage, my advice would be if you are having a good percentage, then only write on the resume. Otherwise do not write. अगर 50% है 60% है मत 80 है लग रहा है रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए है 75 है 80 है 86 है 90 है प्लीज राइट